Hey, what's up YouTube? Quick little vlog video here. And I actually just finished reading the book Decisive. I actually had seen this recommended by Eric Cressy as one of his top recommendations for books, and I figured I'd just check it out. Anyways, a couple important lessons that I actually learned from that book, and it was a pretty good read, and I recommend it for anyone that maybe is involved with business or is just looking to make better life decisions. The takeaway from the book is a lot of people out there consider their options with two extremes. Usually there's either or. And many people don't search out alternatives or additional options. So to give you an example, a lot of people that follow me on this YouTube channel currently deal with lower back pain. And a question that I get asked often is, Remi, can I go to the gym or no? Or will I be able to go to the gym or no? And it's not really a good question to ask. And the reason I say that is because people are thinking of two extremes. They're just thinking about the gym themselves and going in it. They aren't thinking, okay, what can I do maybe in the gym that won't provoke my pain and will actually improve my symptoms or help with my recovery? People don't think of that option, or they don't think of maybe if I can go to the gym and hire a trainer or coach who knows about lower back injuries and can maybe help me out. People just think of, can I go to the gym or not? And that could be very limiting for someone that is maybe dealing with a low back issue and is trying to return to activity or is just trying to overcome their low back problems. People aren't seeking out alternative options. The same thing can be said for someone considering surgery. Someone may not consider all their options. So someone may be having a herniated disc that they're dealing with and they have pain, and maybe they've done conservative treatment and now they're opting for surgery. Now that they've opted for surgery, they only may consider one surgeon. They may not consider all the surgeons out there and their opinions. Maybe there's a surgeon out there that suggests surgery isn't needed, whereas another surgeon suggests surgery. Whether the right decision is to get surgery or not, who knows? But it's the process that one has to think about and kind of weigh their options and just seek out alternatives. Because in the end, when you're thinking about more alternatives, that could help someone who's maybe struggling on making a decision. So that's kind of one of the things that I learned from the book Decisive is consider your options and don't think either or. Try to seek out other options that may present or may be available. Maybe you're just not thinking outside the box and you're very close-minded or just have tunnel vision with regards to your options. So that's an important thing that I learned, and I thought I would share that with some of my subscribers here, specifically for those that are dealing with low back pain. I just kind of gave a couple examples relating to that situation. One other thing too that I learned as well, and I think that's very important to share with you guys, is one reason a lot of people follow me on my YouTube channel is because I've solved the problem, and that is I've overcome my herniated disc injury and I've returned back to activity. That is the primary reason I'd say people follow me on my YouTube channel, is they're looking for advice to overcome their own herniated disc issue. So this is good. This is a good reason for people trying to overcome a herniated disc issue. They're seeking out someone who has actually overcame the issue. The point here that I'm trying to make is that if you're trying to solve a problem, seek out someone that's actually solved it and try to get advice from them. So for all of you guys that have been following me, I would say it's a good decision that you followed my channel and have asked me for advice, because for every email that I get, I respond to everyone just about. I try to respond to everybody and try to provide advice, and I know a lot of people have benefited from my advice and from my videos and actually have returned to a pain-free lifestyle and got back to physical activity. So the point of that is, if you're trying to make a decision, and this just isn't with lower back issues, this could be any sort of problem, maybe a business decision, a life decision where maybe you're thinking about moving to a different country, or maybe you're contemplating doing a master's degree in exercise science versus maybe a physical therapy degree or a chiropractor degree. seek out someone who's done it and just try to get advice from them and get their opinions. That way you can get a better perspective on what to expect, and it could help you make the right decision, perhaps. So that's all I wanted to share in this video, guys. The book Decisive, definitely a good read for anyone that is maybe interested in how to make a better decision, better life choices, and just seek out different alternative options. It kind of really puts things into a perspective. Now, that's all I wanted to mention in this little vlog style video. Hopefully this provides a little bit of information and is helpful for anyone out there. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.